record. So leverage, what happens when it comes to leverage? The higher the leverage, the more the risk uko nayo kwa markets. The lower the leverage, the less the risk uko nayo kwa market. So if your leverage is too small, uta end up to make almost nothing. But if your risk is too high, then amount una make itakuwa too high. But pia you have to keep in mind, Forex yet uta make pesa every single time. So you might end up losing, now lose a lot more than your account can take. Okay, then margins that we're going to look at, then swaps and commissions. Swaps ni overnight charges. Commissions, there's some brokers who charge you commissions to take a trade ama kufungua a certain trade. A broker anakucharge a certain amount. Yes. Okay, then let's move on. Currencies. Okay, so when it comes to trading, a currency basically ni, we have kama US dollar, tuko na euro, we have the GBP pound, we have New Zealand dollar, tuko na Australian dollar, tuko na Canadian dollar. Those are the majors. Okay, yeah, I think ni hizo. Then tuko na Swiss franc, tuko na yeah, I think ni hizo. Those are the majors. So basically a currency, everybody anaelewa what is a currency. What you need to understand about these currencies mean, we have the base currency na tuko na counter currencies. Okay, so when it comes to trading, utapata mtu anakuambia euro USD. Okay, so euro against USD, mtu atakwambia GBP USD. The base currency is the first currency, then the counter currency ndio inakuja the second one. Okay, we're going to look more into this, but you need to understand kuna base currency na kuna the counter currency. Okay, so the logic behind your base na currency na counter currency, I hope I'm recording the video here. Okay, yeah, I think tutasort baadaye. So the logic behind base currency na counter currency is that the base currency is what you're looking at, is the price you're looking at, comparing it to the counter currency. Okay, so tuna focus on the price of the base currency, tuna focus on the price of US dollar, comparing it to Swiss franc. Okay, tuna focus on the price of euro, comparing it to USD. Okay, so tukisema euro USD, we mean the base currency is euro and the counter currency is USD. It's the price of euro comparing it to USD. Okay, so then kuna bulls ama buy ama long. Ukisikia mtu anasema bulls buy ama long, we mean that the price, unexpected price, itaenda juu. Okay, the price will go higher. Okay, so you need to understand your part here. Bulls buy long, that's a price that you expect iende juu. Bears sells ama short, we expect the prices to move to the downwards. Ama tuna expect prices reduce in price. Hope I'm making sense. So kuna hiyo difference ya buy and sell. Buy una expect price iende juu. Okay, then sell una expect price iende chini. Then the other thing we're going to look at the market execution. Okay, so ikikuja to trading, we usually execute trades. Okay, execute trade, that's basically kuingia kwa market. You either buy ama you short. Buy ni kuenda juu, short ni kuenda chini. Long ni kuenda juu, sell ni kuenda chini. Okay, so you need to differentiate hiyo. Okay, stop loss, ikikuja kwa market, we put a stop loss. Expect market iende juu, then expect market iende in a certain direction, but ikose kuenda in that specific direction, what happens ni utaweka stop loss. The stop loss is going to assist you ikichange, ikienda against you, itakutoa kwa market with a small loss as compared to vile ingeenda long distance, you make a big loss. Okay, then take profit. This is the target. Okay, expect market and into a certain direction, you set your target. Una expect market ikimove to this specific point, it's going to, ikifika hapa inaweza turn, ama ikifika hapa nataka kutake profits zangu. Okay, pending orders tunaweza, okay, this we're going to look at afterwards. Then trend lines, support na resistance, then time frames. Time frames, basically what we mean by time frames ni each chart ama in a market in an empty form kuna different time frames. Okay, tuna work na something we call candlesticks ama charts. Hizo charts kuna venye unaweza view guy, unaweza view different time frames. A moment of silence. Unaweza view different time frames. Kuna 1 minute, 1 hour, 30 minutes, 15 minutes, 4 hours, 1 day. Kuna 1 week, 1 month. Okay, you get the logic. Okay, so ukipata hizi different time frames, they're going to show you the basic, they're going to give you an overall look of what the chart is telling you to do. Okay, then tunatumianga support and resistance. Basically what happens ni humans think, they never change the way they think. Okay, so kama 20 years ago or 5 years ago market ilifika a certain point, then ikatan, una expect 2020 market ikifika that specific point iko na likelihood ya kuturn ama kuwa na some impact kwa market. So that is what we call support na resistance. Then tuko na trends. Markets move in a certain direction. Okay, but see it is in a move in a straight line. Zita form something like a channel. So that is what we call the trends. Okay? Fibonacci indicators, these we're going to look at them way after. Okay, the difference between buy bullish markets, I'm a long, then sell bearish markets, I'm a short. Let's just look at this too. Yeah, let's look at this. So you can see this is a chart to analyze last week. So what ukinotice market in a move chini, we're going to look at all this. Okay, so ukikam realize market in a move hivi chini, you see this, the market is kind of moving downwards. This is what we call a bearish market. Okay, but then ukirealize market in a move juu, this is what we call a bullish market. You can see the prices in a move kutoka hapa zikikuja huku juu. Then you can see ikimove chini, we have white things zina form. This is what we call the candlesticks. Okay, so ukirealize hizi market zimemoja, ukirealize market ina move chini, that is what we call a bullish, a bearish market. Ikipanda juu, a bullish market. Ikienda chini, you sell. Ikienda juu, you buy. Okay, so in this case hapa tunge sell because market inaenda chini. Okay, see this, market ikimove juu, we buy. Ikimove chini, we sell. Okay, you need to get your part. Ikimove na chini, but market haita move at a straight line kama hii. Market ita move ni kama it's some sort of a channel. Ita move ikibuy na ikisell inside, but general trend ni is it a buy ama is it a sell. Okay, then tuende kwa so after that you need to create an account, a broker account. So the best option is go to the Telegram channel. Okay, this is way easier, this is way better. Let me share screen, let's just do this. So go to the Telegram channel, open on this, then click on the pinned message. Itakupeleka directly to where you're supposed to be creating your account with Forex. Okay, so this is the broker I recommend. This is a broker account. Okay, so tutatumia the broker account to get our demo account, tutatumia the broker account to get our live accounts, tutatumia the broker account to deposit na withdraw pesa. Then the broker account ndo watatupatia hizi charts. Okay, so the broker ndo atakupatia, this is an MT4 chart. Okay, so once you've registered your hot forex account, they're going, details zote ziko hapo of what you need to do, what you need to upload. You need your ID and you need your KRA pin. Okay, but KRA pin, make sure at least ni 3 months, not older than, unasema under 6, but 3 months is a better time. After that, go on and create a demo account. Okay, so what you need to do ikikuja to the demo account, although I hope kila mtu ako na demo account, make sure you register na balance ya 5,000 USDs. Okay, the smallest account the broker anakupatia, that is what you're going to use. Okay, that is the most important part of it. Don't go for a big amount at 10,000, 100,000 USDs. No, just go for 5,000 US dollars. Okay, the advantage to this is that ita test emotions zako, itakupatia exactly what you're looking for kwa market. Itakupatia, it is going to test you beyond vile una expect, because you're supposed to treat your demo account kama a live account. Okay, so what you need to be careful, after you've registered the demo account, they're going to send you some passwords. Okay, so you need to differentiate between passwords za demo account and passwords za hot forex account. Okay, so your hot forex account, that is your password ya kuingia kwa the broker account platform. Then for the demo account, ama for the passwords unatumia after you register the demo account, hizo ndo tunatumia kwa trading platform. That is the MT4, that is the MT5. Okay, so you need to be careful with that. So then what else do you need to know about that? Kuna the user ID ama the login, that is the account number ya your demo account ama live account. Then kuna traders password na kuna server. Traders password na investors password, the difference is for a traders password, hii unatumia kuingia kwa kama we ni trader. Investors password, that is what you use kama we ni investor ama someone who is trading for someone but they cannot execute hizo trades. Okay, so mtu akikupatia pesa umtradie, make sure anatumia investors password, unless, okay, basically yeah, cause akiwa na traders password atakuwa tempted ku trade na wewe sasa ulikuwa na plan yako. Okay, then the server, this is your access point. Server itakuwa important mostly ikikuja kwa using your MT4 on your mobile phone. Ukitaka ku get all the details, check YouTube channel ya Pips Masters. All the details ziko hapo za introduction. Okay, so yeah, after you've created your demo account, download MT4. Okay, inafaa kuwa hapo below. If iko hapo below, it's supposed to be kwa platforms. If you need all these details, YouTube Pips Masters, you can all these details. Okay, so account verification. One thing you guys need to understand ni lazima kuwe keen on a few things. One, address unapatiana, make sure inafanana na KRA pin yako. You need to be very careful. Kama unataka kuvalidate your account haraka, make sure zinafanana. Then dates zenye ziko kwa hiyo KRA pin, ukishindwa na hiyo just text me. Kama unaona dates zako ni different na ujui vile utafanya, text me, we're going to sort it out. Okay, then deposits, naweza ku-advise use Skrill, but Skrill inakuanga tricky ku get the first deposit, so just do it the easy way. M-Pesa, these guys wako na M-Pesa, wakileta shida just tell me, we're going to sort it out. Then withdrawals, tumia Skrill, avoid kutumia any bank transactions. By all means avoid any bank transactions. Okay, na kama uta transact na bank, tumia I&M, Visa card ya dollar, 2 weeks, but safer kuliko KCB when you take 6 months ukimake any withdrawals. Then the moment you deposit na a certain Visa card, before 6 months ziishe, huwezi tumia any other method ku make huwezi tumia any other method. Kama uko na any question just uliza tu. Huwezi tumia any other method ku withdraw cash yako, okay? Hizi ni vitu basics, hatujaanza ati the real thing ama ku trade. So I think kila mtu ako set. So then the other thing you need to understand ni the hot forex platform hiyo utapambana nayo. I think account login, I think hizi mko sawa, okay? So let's get to business. So after you've downloaded the MT4, so what next? Okay, so
Excuse me, sir. You said that we should maybe try as much as possible to avoid bank transactions. Yeah, probably bank wanaweza delay with processing payments and that.
Yes.
But is it possible probably like I deposit through M-Pesa and then time ya withdraw natumia Skrill?
Yes, hiyo ni sawa. But ukitumia bank sasa hawatakuallow kutumia any other method.
Yeah, actually hata mimi nilikuwa nataka kulenga hiyo story na bank.
Yeah, avoid
Thank you.
Itawasumbua sana. So tumia tu M-Pesa. Yeah. Kama si M-Pesa tumia Skrill ama Netela. Netela unaweza deposit from your bank.
Wow, thanks.
Yes. Any other question? So I hope you guys are ready. Let us get started. So after you've downloaded your MT4, inafaa kukaa hivi, okay? Just a minute. So Audi card looks to sell. So after you've downloaded your MT4, this is what it should look like, okay? Kuna hizi charts, you have the initial charts. Tuko na Euro USD, GBP USD, USD SHAF, USD JPY. Then utaona these lines inside, okay? Kuna lines ziko inside. See these straight lines. These are what we call indicators, okay? But as a new trader to Forex, naweza kuambia don't focus on any indicators. Usitumie indicators zote ukianza, okay? So what you do is you close hizo markets. Just a minute, let's look for something. Euro, man. So let's say this is what we have. What you do is una close hizo charts zote. Okay, so make sure close hizo charts, okay? So once you close hizo charts, the next thing you're going to do is utakuja hapa. This is where we select currencies zenye unataka, okay? So ukikuja kwa market watch, hope you guys are paying attention. Ukikuja kwa market watch, the first thing is right click on any part of it, okay? Then show all, okay? So ukishow all, currencies zenye zimejificha, they're going to pop up, okay guys? Laptop ikikata MT4, try and download MT5. MT5 ikikataa, tumia the web platform, but haifai kurefuse MT4. Na ikikataa mara mbili, I don't know. Sasa hapo I don't know, but yeah, okay, try kui-download tena. Ikikataa kabisa, download MT5. There is not that much of a big difference MT4 na MT5, but utaifeel tu. It's not that much of a big deal because they show the same thing too. So the first thing is right click, show all. Itakuleta all the currencies that the broker offers. I'm certain right now mwenye amekuwa akitumia hii, at least umeona maybe uko limited to some currencies initially, okay? So let's say tunataka kufungua certain charts. Tutatumia profile gani? Let's see. Okay. So let's just use this. I'm so sorry for this. So let's say immediately after umefungua your platform, you make sure umeclose all the charts ziko hapo. So we're going to look for the currencies zenye tunataka. We're going to be trading the major currencies. That is Euro USD. Okay? So tunatafuta Euro USD. Option 2, to get those charts badala ya kutafuta hapa, which is just a long process, is kukuja hapa. Okay? Then itakupatia all the currencies that you need to have. Okay? So ukikuja hapo, just select, click hapo that icon with a plus, then whichever currency you want. Nataka GBP USD right now. You see, so zina pop hapa. Nikitaka chart ya Euro USD, nikitaka chart ya GBP USD. We following. So this is what I'm talking about. Okay? So nakuja na click Euro USD na select. It's going to give me the chart here, Euro USD, GBP USD. It's going to give me the chart here, GBP USD, USD JPY. Okay. So tunatumia the major currencies at first. Okay. So these are the major currencies in Forex. They're the ones you're going to focus on. Okay, kama nimesahau yoyote, we're just going to add it later. Then after umezifungua, just enlarge the charts. Okay, so tunataka Euro USD. Okay, so this is what you have. Okay, I don't want to close it trade because nataka kuitumia in a few. But basically, this is what you should have. This is your MT4 set. Any questions mpaka hapo? Ukitaka kuchuza currency unakuja hapa. This is option 1. Option 2 ni hapa. Okay? Then you select whichever currency unataka. Okay? Any questions? Anyone with a question? Ama tuendelee. Okay, so something I forgot to show you guys. Ukitaka ku log into your account, there is a window that will pop up immediately ukidownload MT4. Alternatively, unaweza kuja hapa. This enye ina show speed hapa chini. Just click on the connection status, then login. Okay, then uko na your ID, your account ID, the password you're using, then the server you're using. Okay, kama ni demo, lazima ukuwe careful with the servers zenye wanawapatia. Lazima you be very keen on the server. Okay, then just press on login. Any questions at all, Amal? Oh, you guys are good. Come on, you guys are good. You just continue. Okay, so the basics of the MT4. So tuko na MT4, MT5, web terminal na mobile trading platform. You need to be careful na the mobile trading platform ikikuja ku login. All good. So you need to be careful na the mobile trading platform ikikuja tu using it. As much as watu wengi wanataka kuitumia, I don't advise on using it. The reason being, the platform itakupoteza. Not to be rude, not to sound sijui, but the thing about the platform ni, it's squeezed, it's a small chart, it's not going to show you all this data. Now, if it's going to show you all this data, inakuanga enlarged or some sort of way expanded. So in the end of the day, utapata, it's not giving you the accuracy you're supposed to be looking for. Okay, ukiwa na something like this, ukitumia your laptop, ukitumia your tab ni poa, but tablet is better than using your tablet is way better than using your mobile phone. Okay, sisemi it's bad, you can always use it to start, but ikifika to live trading tricky kidogo. Okay, yeah, so tuko na 10 minutes. After that we're going to take a short break, so I need any questions. Kama you guys are good, tuna look into something mbio. So if you could
Okay, excuse me, sir.
Mm-hmm.
What you implies that for example hii chart yenye tunaona ni Euro USD on the 1 hour
Yes.
time frame, si ndio?
Yes.
So if I'm using an Android device, mobile phone particularly, it will not show me all these candlesticks formation that I'm seeing. It will just squeeze, but sita realize till maybe I use my PC.
Yes, itakuonyesha exactly all this. Yes, itakuonyesha something close to this. Okay, you can check, unaweza compare, you'll see some difference between the two. Ukimovisha chart yako to the side, utapata ime-enlarge na prices ime-jump to higher prices zenye uko una expect to some sort ya mwisho ni zoomed in. Yeah. You get what I mean?
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, sure. Thanks.
Unaweza ziwatch to just give them a look zikiwa mbili, you compare.
Yeah, and to a greater degree, it will limit the accuracy. Yeah?
Yes, it's going to limit a lot of accuracy.
Okay, thanks.
How can you clear a chart that you need to use? I don't get. I don't get your question. Okay, let's say umechora. Do you mean ikiwa na ma trend line support nini? Ama you mean ikiwa to just a chart, easy charts, alafu you want to clear them? Ama what do you mean? Because kama ni supports na resistance, what you do, right click on any part of your chart, then okay, let me just do this. Right click on any part of your chart, then objects list, click, itakuonyesha lines zenye umechora, just delete. That's one option. Kama ni easy charts, kuna options kadhaa, unaweza kuja hapa, close. Alternatively, unaweza just use this. Just close easy charts. Tumetoa Euro USD, so we're just going to pull it back. Yeah, same thing too. Ama what did you mean? Any questions? Tunapoteza time so that you can get back to it at around 7:15. Or see 7:15, 5:15 in like 5 minutes. And if you're good, see you in 5 minutes, guys.
Okay, before we leave,
I
have a question. How do you cancel an order?
Hapa chini tu utaona, you see this, kuna X hapo chini. You can press on it. Kama unatumia simu, hold on your order, then unaweza, kama si active, kuna cancel.
Okay.
Yes, but ukitaka kuclose ni hapa mwisho. Okay? Ama kwa simu, just press on it, then close order. Okay, so we'll be back in 5 minutes.